Hey, welcome to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's whole food plant-based no oil guilt-free cooking recipe videos. And today I'm going to do a quick video on the benefits of almonds and how to make almond flour or almond meal that can be used as an added ingredient in other recipes. So almonds are almond obviously is a nut and contains a lot of healthy fats and some fiber and protein, magnesium and vitamin E. Almond also has some prebiotic fiber, so it is good for your gut health. However, almond is high in calories. So if you are sitting down with a big bowl of almonds and then wondering why your weight is not coming down, that may be the reason. Overall, I think when almonds are eaten in very small quantities, I usually recommend eating like 2 to 3 almonds per day, because on whole food plant-based diet, the intake of fat from nuts and seed is usually 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. So when eaten in that quantity, it can help you lower your blood sugar levels, reduce pressure, cholesterol levels, and it has shown to reduce risk of stroke. But again, eating almonds which are salted or covered with chocolate is not what I'm talking about. These are organic California almonds, very flavorful, not processed, not blanched or anything. So try to look for these kind of almonds. And today I'm going to take 1 cup of raw almonds, and once I grind it or pulse it so I'm going to take so to make almond meal, you can buy almond meal or almond flour from outside, but I think it's easier and cheaper to make it at home, and that's what I'm going to do. So take 1 cup of almond, this is 1 cup of raw almonds, and now I'm going to put that in the blender container and pulse it. Now once those almonds are pulsed, they turn into this very fine almond meal. You want to make sure that you are not grinding it at very high speed for a long period of time, otherwise you will have almond butter. You want to make sure you have a corn meal or cream of wheat, of course raw cream of wheat type of consistency, or Parmesan cheese type of consistency. The other advantage of making almond meal at home is that you are grinding it with skin on. So like I said, skins of nuts and vegetables have the most amount of nutrients. So now this almond meal can be used in as a fortifying agent in your soups or any kind of dessert. If you are making it, you can reduce the amount of added fat and add the almond meal. You can add it to make date balls. You can also use it as a breading agent, or instead of breadcrumbs, you can use this for vegetable cutlets, or you can use it also as a binding agent, or you can use it as a thickening agent in soups. So there are a lot of applications for using the almond meal, and making it at home just makes it easy and also cheaper. So I hope you will make this almond meal and keep it ready and use it in your recipes as you need. So thanks for watching, and keep watching my meal prepping, meal planning recipes, because those are the things which are going to make your whole food plant-based eating a easy breezy